Namaskar, my dear friends. This is Rahul
Namaste.
Mehta from New Delhi, and today we are going to start a talk show by the name of Candid Conversation, which is going to be telecasted on web-based channel NYU News. This is the first conversation that I'll be having with two of the legal eagles from Delhi. One is Advocate Mr. Narendra Kalra. He
Good
is
evening.
also the good evening, sir. Welcome to our show, and it is my pleasure and privilege to have you on the show.
Thank you.
Mr. Kalra is also the president of Adhivatta Parishad, 30,000 Unit, Delhi. My second panelist for today is Advocate Mr. Venkat Raman from
Very
Delhi
good
High Court.
evening.
Hello,
Very
Venkatji,
good
how are you
evening.
doing?
Perfect. God bless. Everything.
He is also a co-judge in pre-mediation proceedings which happen in Delhi High Court, and he assists the judges over there.
We can call you
So,
the co-presiding officer.
yeah,
The
yeah,
word
right.
is co-president.
So
Yes.
our talk show is named as Candid Conversation. We'll be conversing candidly and frankly, and there won't be any interjections or anything like that. And the topic of our today's show is whether the ban on 59 Chinese applications by the government of India is just a symbolic one, or will it help India to have its hold on other neighbors of India to subdue China's aggression, which happened very recently in Ladakh in Galwan Valley. So, sir, my first question to Mr. Kalra is, sir, what is
Yeah.
your opinion in this regard? Whether the ban on 59 Chinese applications is a symbolic one, or will it help India to consolidate its position worldwide?
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to answer the question first.
Yes, please.
I will tell you that India on Monday last banned 59 Chinese mobile applications
Yes.
amid border standoff with the
Right.
neighboring country, China. The
Yeah.
government has cited national security for banning these applications.
Okay, sir.
Our law minister
Mm-hmm.
read further. The release further said that the ministry has received many complaints
Mm-hmm.
from various sources, including several reports about the misuse of some mobile applications available on Google Android and Apple's iOS platform for stealing the superiority, transmitting users' data in unauthorized manner to serve I would say that to server with the server which have location outside India,
Okay,
meaning
sir.
thereby that they're trying to steal our data. Then
Mm-hmm.
our law minister said so. The decision to ban these applications was taken after it found that they are engaged in activities which are prejudicial to sovereignty and integrity of India,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
defense
sir.
of India, the security of the state and the public order.
Okay, sir.
I mean to say that whatever it be ban has been put by the government of India on Monday last is having a deep impact on the country's sovereignty.
Okay. Sir, don't you think that this digital
Yeah,
strike, as claimed by one of the cabinet ministers, Mr. Ravi
I'm
Shankar
not clear.
Prasad,
You're not. Your voice is cracking.
sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
What do you think about the digital strike that India has done over the Chinese applications? Will
Yes,
it
you can say.
will it work in the future also to have a hold on China, or it is just a symbolic gesture which has and the decision of which has been taken on national
It's a
fervor?
it's a digital strike by India
Yeah.
over China.
Hmm.
First of all, I'll tell you that suddenness of this ban,
Yeah.
without giving any opportunity to China to raise any objection or give them a time to think about of that
Hmm.
banning. The suddenness is a great warning from India to China.
Okay, sir. I'll cut.
Then, yeah.
Sorry, sir. I'll just interrupt in between. I'll pose the same question to Advocate Mr. Venkatraman. What are his thoughts on this so-called digital strike, which has been done by India? Whether this,
What I will do,
yeah,
I understood. See, whatever Kalra sir has said, I think I'm not going to repeat it. We
okay.
should carry forward. Two or three
Mhm.
things are very important, our friend.
If you can add upon
China,
it, yeah,
see, what is important is China has not been supporting India.
yeah,
Many
right.
issues.
Mhm.
Many issues.
Mhm.
Now, China, I think 20% of the business,
Yeah,
you are talking of these applications, they are only from India,
right.
at least. And I think more than 6 billion, I think $6 billion, I think if you can rate it, yeah, China is going to lose from this. See, if China is not supporting you, China
Yeah.
is taking your time, wanted to take your territory also, they want to do everything, then we
Mhm.
have to put a stop to it, because they cannot go on extending the territory. That is what I think the Prime Minister has said it very, very clearly.
I got
So
it.
one has to put a stop. And the
Mhm.
world is there, world is watching on somebody. India was the only country which I think everybody was looking for, the largest democracy, looking for to go. India has taken a step further. Once
Right.
India has taken a step, all other leaders, America, Japan, France, and they're all there, Taiwan, they all come with India. So therefore,
Mhm.
something has to be done to put a stop in it. Now the
Okay.
application we thought you should have a war, not at all fronts.
Yeah.
You have to make the China weak in the economic front also. If the economic front
Exactly.
China is weak, China
Right.
is put, and then they'll be very, very difficult. They cannot just fight a war like that.
I agree.
Therefore, when they are not supporting, India
Yeah.
has to take a step. And yes, India has done it for the national security of the country. Because tomorrow, you won't believe China. Tomorrow they can hack all information, which
I
affects
agree.
security also, anything.
I
I think they have taken it at the security point of view, taken into consideration. They have taken integrity.
I got your point, Venkatji. Venkatji, what is your opinion as to how India has alienated China as well as our other neighbor, Pakistan,
Ah.
in this regard?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes. See what happened.
Yeah.
See, China has been doing it. These activities from all over the world, China has been doing it.
Mhm.
China has been doing in Australia. China has been doing South China
Right.
Sea. China has been doing, they are now they want to come to Indian Ocean, and then
Correct.
America and Pakistan is looking forward. Because Pakistan they cannot do individually. Now China they want to make use of it. They also want to approach Jammu and Kashmir, etc. So therefore, India has got, this is one of the dreams today, because of the epidemic issue also. World is against China.
Mhm.
Today, this is see when mine is very hot, you have to eat it. Today is the most ample opportunity which was given, which India has got it.
Mhm.
Because everybody is looking for India is really isolated China, and because everybody knows India has been doing it democratically also.
Yeah.
World leaders, United Nations also, they want them to be a member of the, etc. America has also invited them, and all other leaders, etc. China has been, in fact, Pakistan has been supporting China.
Yeah.
In fact, they've been, in fact, some of, you see, even some of the economic friends also,
Mhm.
they have started banning from Pakistan also.
Mhm.
So therefore,
Correct.
I think this is the exact, right forum. I think India has done it. India has been successful to the world also in alienating China. And this is the best possible opportunity. We
I
cannot
got
get
it.
it again and again.
Thank you, Venkatji. The next question is being posed to Advocate Mr. Kalra. Kalra,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
what is your opinion with regards to the fact that there are many companies operating in India which have huge investments from China? For example, Flipkart and even Paytm. There are
Right.
more than 20 plus Indian corporates which are having huge investments from China over the last 2 years. So, do you think that it will be proper to put an embargo on these companies also, or what is your viewpoint in this regard? If there is
I'm
any
of the
other
view,
alternative viewpoint, yeah.
Rahulji,
Yes, sir.
that India has given a slogan, Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Right, sir.
If we go by that,
Yes.
in a very short span of time, we will see that India will emerge as a world leader.
Agree.
India has a capacity to
Mm-hmm.
be a world leader.
Right.
These companies who have invested in India are looking at India as a market only.
I agree Fully agree, sir.
We stand today in the COVID period. We stand as a nation.
Absolutely.
So these companies are having a fight with the nation, having 130 crores
Correct.
of people.
Right.
So during the short span, no doubt, India will
Yeah.
suffer certain things,
Mm-hmm.
and the investment made with the people here in India are going to be jeopardized.
Yeah.
But in near future, India will emerge as a world star.
Hopefully. Hope so,
leading
sir.
economy.
Hopefully. Yes, sir. I
But
agree.
hopefully, yes.
Yeah.
So, the slogan which is given by the government of India, our beloved Prime Minister,
Yes, sir.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. We
Right.
are stepping towards Atmanirbhar Bharat slowly
Mhm.
and steadily, with the full support of the each and every countryman. I'll tell you,
Yeah.
during these days when the Chinese ban was put by the government of India,
Mm-hmm.
people on their own
Yes, sir.
standing together to cancel their
But sir,
agreements with the Chinese
sorry to
government.
interrupt, but there is one of the opposition parties that is the oldest political party of India, and one of its leaders, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has been tweeting something or the other about Indian Army as well as the Indian Prime Minister, and he has posed several questions on Twitter that India has
Right.
compromised on its land in Galwan Valley, and it has given
Right.
land to China, and it is not acting in accordance to which it had to act. So, what is your viewpoint in this regard?
Because Rahul ji is having some point of view.
Yes, sir.
Every Indian has every point of view he has to suppose
Mhm.
raise before the government of India.
Right.
But the Galwan land
Yeah.
belongs to India. There is no doubt in it.
And Venkatji,
And
sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
And Venkatji, do you think that Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Rahul Gandhi of Congress, has any credence in his statement when he states that some of the territory has been occupied illegally with China?
What is important today is
Yeah.
Today is not what is happening, what is going to be, we don't know. This
Mhm.
the Rahul Gandhi is one side of story.
I agree.
You can always
Mhm.
raise it. This is
Yeah.
not the time to raise it. What is it?
Mhm.
National integrity is more important. You are
Right.
with the army. Army
Yeah.
is fighting. You are
Mhm.
trying. See, Prime Minister has, even the Defense Minister, they given a statement clearly.
Yeah.
Okay, this is not in our land, but they are because there is a line of control, etc. China has moved ahead. If they wanted them to go back.
Right.
That is what they wanted to say. What is important today? Today, Rahul Gandhi may have agreements or not. That has to be looked when he can always raise it. This is not
Right.
the case.
But I think he's not raising the issues on the right platform. He should have raised.
You're right.
He should raise it later on, maybe in
See, Rahul Ji,
Parliament or somewhere.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Rahul Ji, one difficulty is
Yes.
whatever he is raising. Global
Yes,
and
Venkatji.
China, they are raising the same thing.
I agree.
See, the
Right.
question is that is more dangerous. So therefore, I think everybody knows integrity is a must. National security is a must. Let us not
Right.
forget anything. Everybody has to join together.
Right.
Whether in the form of economic friend, whether in the form of trade friend, whatever friend is there. Secondly, to China has lost China never has credibility. India has
Mhm.
a credibility.
That's
Now
correct.
America has already stopped everything from there. Now they are going to put it invest in India.
But
Already went to Japan.
Venkatji, many people in India are saying that Indian government is just doing things symbolically. They don't have any plans.
But
They are just doing it for the heck of it, so as
if
to.
that is the case,
Yeah.
do you think all the development countries like
Yeah.
America,
Yeah.
Japan has now they amended the defense rules. They
Right.
want to be with India, France,
Correct.
all the top countries they are with India, even Russians.
Yeah, and even
Or they are all they are fools. See,
He-
what is important is
Yeah.
see now now India has now up to the international status.
I agree. And Kala Saab, even the US President Donald Trump has
Right.
stated yesterday that India is our primary friend. And US,
India is our?
India is our primary friend, one of the
Right.
primary friends in India. And for this reason, US naval ships have almost reached the South China Sea to keep a vigil on China, because there are many other countries like Indonesia and Malaysia
Right.
which have been targeted by China in the past, and some of the islands have been illegally occupied by China. So,
Right.
do you think that the support of US will help India combat in a better way?
Of course, yes.
Mm-hmm.
The world fastest growing economy, India, is getting its support from the already developed country like America.
Mm-hmm.
Like America has given a complete standby support to Indian Army by sending its planes, ships, and other war equipment to the borders.
Right, sir.
It has only done when India has proved itself throughout the world out
Yeah.
that India has a capacity to stand any damn thing.
Mm-hmm. Right. Mm.
जो प्रधानमंत्री जी हमारे बोले,
ठीक ठीक, right.
वो बोले कि अगर आप प्यार से बात करना जानते हैं तो ठीक है, अन्यथा हम आंख से आंख मिलाकर बात करना भी जानते हैं.
Right,
Why
sir,
he
right.
said so? Because he is getting confidence of his own and support of American government.
That's correct. That's correct. And
Right.
Advocate, yeah, right, sir. Advocate Venkatji, what is your opinion about Japan's support to India, which it has stated yesterday?
Yes,
Because
yes,
Japan has been at loggerheads with China over the last so many years.
yes,
And secondly, what is your opinion as to the visit of Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi when he visited Ladakh
opinion
on
of
about Prime Minister Mr. Modi's visit to Ladakh
yes.
to inquire about the health of the injured soldiers? Will it be a morale boosting one, or
Yes.
is it just a photo opportunity?
No, I'm coming. First,
Yeah.
First question about Japan, you said it.
Mhm.
Japan is concerned. Japan has said they are wanted to amend even the defense law to support India,
Yeah.
and that's very, very important. See, why Japan is doing, because all other countries who are democratically equality countries, they're all with us.
Right.
Democratically, the
Yeah.
countries, they're all with us.
Yes.
So many countries are more than 100. If you even include small countries, more than 100 and 120 are with us.
Yeah. Yeah.
And Japan. As far as Prime Minister is concerned,
Right.
the only, you know, what is how much feet which is there going to the top, most Ladakh, going, it's not very
Yeah.
easy.
Yeah.
Everybody cannot go. Prime Minister Modi is 68 years old.
Right.
So
Right.
only with the determination of national security would have gone to even to that place. Otherwise, he would
Correct.
not have gone.
Yeah.
He went there first of all,
Mhm.
and then he talked to each and every. That is very, very. In fact,
Mm-hmm.
he is the commander.
Mm-hmm.
Prime Minister of India, he is the commander of all the forces.
Agreed, Venkatji. Yeah.
So when Prime Minister has said it, now he also went to the injured people there. He went
Yeah.
there. Now they will have the feeling Prime Minister has come. Prime Minister is there. I am telling you that and you know the VTV and other TV was also running.
Mhm.
The missed call show where they want to see.
Yes, yes,
people
they
are
ran it.
supporting
Yeah,
them.
correct.
What is
Right.
80 lakhs, 70 lakhs, 60 lakhs are already there. So
Yeah.
all this is definitely not only
Mhm.
what is important, moral, this is very important. See one more
Mhm.
thing, what is important. Prime
Yeah.
Minister has gone, and even the Jawans, etc., have been killed. When
Yeah.
all the political leaders went there, and even army leaders went there, and everything has been done with the full state honor. It was done. It was not in China. China, in fact, there is a controversy started.
Mhm.
The former defense, the retired Chinese officials, they started
Mhm.
fighting. We don't even know how many persons have expired. We don't even know. So that is a respect which is really required, and the Prime Minister has given it. He salute it. He's the first person who has done it, I feel.
Yeah.
And
Your assessment is pretty right, Venkatji.
Yes.
Yeah, we are short of time because our time limit was 15 minutes and we have exceeded
Right.
beyond that. It has been a pretty good and candid conversation with respected advocate Mr. Kalra and respected advocate Mr. Venkatraman from High Court. It
Thank
gave
you.
me immense pleasure to converse with both of them and to have their views on the recent developments related to Indo-China relations.
Rahulji, thank you for highlighting the very, very important issue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for being part and taking out your
Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you,
valuable
Rahulji.
and
Thank
precious
you. My
time.
counterpart, Narendra Kalji, thank you very
And,
much.
and there is a general consensus now in India that India is going pretty well as far as taming China is concerned. Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you very much. Have a
Thank you.
good,
God bless.
have a very good
Thank
evening.
you once
Thank you,
again.
sir. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right.